Setting: Community Health Center. You see the daughter of a 75-year-old man who is concerned because her father has been falling over more often lately. She also thinks he has lost weight over the last 6 months and wants more advice. Now let's see the task. First one says, find out the reason for son or daughter's visit. Second one says, explain possible cause of health condition for elderly patients because of changes in diet, exercise, appetite. Then explore relevance of this to her father. Third one says, explore further relevant details about her father, long-term medication, health conditions, recent illnesses, change in mood, reason for fall. Fourth one says, explore need for father to see doctor, full medical assessment, blood test, rule out any underlying health conditions. The last one says, recommend strategies for encouraging her father to see doctor, explain importance of being assessed, daughter may go with him, etc. Now let's begin the role play. Good morning, my name is John and I'm one of the registered nurses working in this community health center. How may I help you today?
Good morning, nurse. I'm here for your expert advice about my father's condition, who is almost 75 years old. I'm very much worried about him because he falls down more often.
I do understand your concern, but try not to be worried. And this is a common condition among all the people and which can be effectively manageable. Before proceeding further, how may I address you?
Yeah, I'm Sarah.
First of all, I appreciate your great decision to seek medical advice to manage your father's condition. Can you please tell me more about your father?
Sure, nurse. He seems to be falling over more than before. He has also lost his weight. I really don't understand why it's happening.
Okay, Sarah. I know it must be really stressful to see your father in such a situation. Please do not get upset. There are some possible causes of health problems that commonly affect elderly people. Okay, Sarah. I hope you're following me.
Yes, nurse. I understand that. May I know why it happens?
Okay, Sarah. Let me explain to you more possible causes of health problems in elderly patients. It can happen due to changes in diet, reduced exercise, poor appetite. So may I know if you find anything relevant to your father's condition?
Well, nurse, as I mentioned to you before, I think he has lost weight and he seems to be eating less than before. Moreover, he usually walks a lot in a day. However, he only goes for one short walk nowadays. Instead, he watches television more than he used to. Apart from that, he has a reduced appetite. He seems to be eating less than before.
Thank you, Sarah, for providing the detailed information. I would also like to ask you a little more details about your father's health condition. May I?
Please, nurse.
How long he has been experiencing this condition?
For the past few months.
Does he have any specific health conditions or is he on any long-term medications?
Nurse, he does not have any health issues and he is not on any short or long-term medication, but he takes medication for hypertension.
Glad to know that, Sarah. Did he get any illnesses recently?
No, nurse. Fortunately, he hasn't had any recent illnesses either.
Okay, Sarah. Have you noticed any changes in his mood?
Yes, he seems a bit quieter and calm and more withdrawn than usual.
Okay, Sarah. Are you able to figure out any particular reasons for his fall?
No, nurse. I do not have any idea why he's falling over. I think he loses his balance.
Thank you, Sarah, for sharing those details with me. Based on your information, I understand that he has been falling more often and you see some changes in his diet, exercise, and appetite. Along with that, he does not have any specific health conditions and he is not on any long-term medications. However, he takes medication for hypertension. Am I right, Sarah?
Yes, nurse. That's right.
Okay, Sarah. In order to understand the exact reason behind the symptoms, it is highly recommended consulting a doctor and do a detailed assessment because it is very much important to do a full medical assessment including a blood test in order to rule out any underlying health conditions. Okay, Sarah, I hope you're with me.
Yes, nurse, I understand that. However, my father doesn't want to go to the doctor because he doesn't think there is anything wrong with him. Then what do we do?
I acknowledge your concern, Sarah. I can suggest certain strategies to encourage your father to meet the doctor. The best way is to convince your father of the importance of being assessed by the doctor. In addition, it is also a good idea to accompany your father during the consultation with the doctor so that he would be more comfortable and confident. Furthermore, you may also be able to get a better understanding of your father's health status. Okay, Sarah, I hope it's okay for you.
Okay, nurse, I will certainly follow your suggestions and take him to the doctor as early as possible.
Good to know that, Sarah. I'm happy that I was able to clarify all the concerns regarding your father's condition and the importance of consulting a doctor for further assessment and management. I hope you understand that. If you have any more questions, you can contact me at any time. I would be glad to help you. Thank you, Sarah, for visiting our community health center. I wish your father a faster recovery.
Thank you, nurse. Thank you very much for your support.
Thank you all. Our role play ends here.